So, taking Bonnie for a walk. I'm going up Hanchurch Hills. Just a quick walk up there. And at the moment, I've got my Gopro Hero 12 Max Lens mod version 2 stuck on the side window. It should be a massive big view. Not going to keep looking at you because that'd be quite dangerous because I need to look ahead. But I've got the remote connected to it. Shove that between the legs so that I can actually control the camera without having to reach across and press anything. It keeps it safe. So yeah, I swore blind I wasn't going to upgrade this year because the 12 isn't in reality that much of an upgrade on the 11. The 11 wasn't that much of an upgrade on the 10. But now that I've had it and I've had a mess around, the Max Lens Mod 2 looks brilliant. So that'll record at 4K. Super View is in 2.7K, I think. So we'll have a go with the Max Lens Mod while I'm out today. And I'm going to do some filming on the Insta Go 3 as well. I do like the GUI, graphical user interface, on the back. I do prefer the shortcuts on it. I like it a lot. HDR, I'll have a play with that, switch that on. I do like it. I think it's quite a good upgrade. I didn't think I would. And considering that the GoPro now is the cheapest that it's ever been. Right, we've got Hyperview on at the moment. We've tried the Max Lens Mod. Bonnie's going bananas because she's desperate to get out. We're here at the woods. And I noticed while I got the Max Lens Mod on, it was coming up at 2.7K. It's supposed to be 4K. It's coming up as Max Lens Mod 1 instead of Max Lens Mod 2. So I'll have to have a look at that. Right, I need to put Bonnie's lead on and get moving. We're Hanchurch Woods. Stop pulling, Bonnie. Bonnie's trying to get used to being that I'm in charge. We're recording on this as well. Yes, we are. So we're recording on the GoPro and the Insta Go at the same time. We'll let Bonnie go off, wander off a little bit. Mostly clear sky, but we have had the odd spot of rain on the way up, and I've left my waterproof in the car. So we've got the GoPro on 5.3K wide, 60 frames a second at the moment. Last time I came up here was 2 years ago, 3 years ago. There's a video on it. We came up geocaching using the M50. It must be 3 years ago because I've sold the M50 a few years back. Used the M6 Mark II, the Canon now. So yeah, I was using the Max Lens Mod. I'm sure it comes up with either Max Lens Mod 1 or 2. For some reason it's only given me the option for 1. Just 2.7K. Somebody's left poo on the path. Disgusting. So yeah, not quite sure about that. First time I used it, tested it at home, took it out of the box, came up with Max Lens Mod 2. So we'll try it again in a bit. Well, the leaves are certainly changing the colours now. It's definitely coming into autumn. Not officially, I don't think autumn yet, obviously. It's the end of summertime, British summertime. But you can see, kind of sad. Another year gone. Wait! I don't know what she's seen. But she's having a right good sniff. What are you sniffing at? Looking mentally. Something's got it. Pete. Might be horses, there are horses up here. Having a sniff at. Yeah, quite obviously it's nice up here because it's coniferous so you get colour all year round. Right, stop it now, you're annoying me. Come. Trying to get it to be a bit better on the lead. Come. Put you on a short lead again. Come. Now you're trapped. Go wander off into the woods. Let's go look for the Sasquatch. Getting a bit mental now. Be careful, because they're mountain bikers tanking around. Lots of bike tracks. Oh! No, leave it. No, leave it. It's too... Butterfly. Don't eat the butterfly. No. 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 She's mental. Come on. She didn't get it. Beautiful coloured butterfly. Probably only got days left to live. Here. It's starting to rain. If it rains too much, my waterproof's in the boot of the car. I'm going to have to find shelter. Luckily all my cameras are waterproof. And the dog's waterproof. It's a special model of dog. It's piddling down. It's piddling down. Let's go find shelter. Can we make a shelter bomb? Sunshine up in front. Won't last long. Remember where we go. Don't get lost. So yeah, Hanchurch Hills, Hanchurch Woods, or Hanchurch Hills Plantation as it's called. I believe there's some fishing pools up this way, and obviously this is all, come on, man-made. Cut down a lot, obviously you've seen, I think literally second or third video I ever did when Lily was about 6 or 7. Came up here and you can see where they cut a load of the trees down. I think they've replanted a lot of it now. There's like a jump here in front, so yeah, there's like loads of these things that people can jump over. Come on then, Poggle! Poggle! It's a bit much for me. Come on then. I trust you get stuck. Come on. This way. Yeah, we're getting over. Come on. So yeah, every year since the GoPro Hero 6 I have upgraded. And I am a bit of a GoPro fan. I did have the original Osmo Action. Thought it was great. Really bright, natural. But I preferred the vivid GoPro colours. And obviously we have like a log file here now. Not that I'll ever use it. I'm not into colour grading my footage. We're in the thick of the woods now. So we'll go up this way. Looks like a main path. I could go off and do hours, but I've got to do a conference call for work at 4:30. So I only want to do a couple of miles. See horses' hooves in the dirt, so we have had hossies around. But you could definitely just sneak in here and get a really nice camp on. Just no fire, just a basher. I mean, you could do a hammock, but a basher low to the ground, camo basher, mat, military grade sleeping bag. You can come up here, even in the snow, and it's like 10-15 minutes from my house. Come on, you. Be cracking. So back to the GoPro. You've watched loads of reviews on it. Yeah, internal specs are virtually the same processor, everything else. I think they've increased the RAM a little bit, speed it up. Bonnie's getting mad here having a sniff. Come on, you. Puckle! Puckle! Buddy! Buddy, it's up there. Puckle! Ready, Bon? Puckle! Puckle! Oh, big stone. Gate. A gate. Right, just done a bit of a time warp on the way back up where we cut off the trail. Then by the time we get back, got about a mile and a half, something like that. Not too big a walk, but brought Bonnie out, had shelter from the rain a bit. It's nice, warm day. I've only got this thin fleece on, I'm bloody sweating. But nice, test the GoPro out and running the Go 3. I do love the Go 3. I think it's a bit expensive what it is, but it's great having that external monitor on it. I think if I was going on holiday, literally, the GoPro, the Go 3, my 360 camera, could cover everything. I mean, I've got loads of different cameras, but mobile phones are just so good at photography now. Come here now, Bob. Short lead now. Come here. Because them dogs, you'll get a bit spooked. Okay. Not a short lead as it's like the gamekeeper's cottage or something. It's been here years. And it's got some big dogs. You can see there he's cut everything down here. Yeah, forestry commission. I always wanted to be a forestry commissioner. Warden. Whatever they are. Love that. Going around and cutting trees down and land management and everything. Driving a Land Rover. And I mean, it's right ramshackle what he's got here, but cool place to live here. And this is your job. If this is the forestry guy, I suppose it is. A cooler job to give you this house. And do some work on it. How cool. You're alright. Come, let's go over. You're big dogs. Right, so what I've done, when you go into the settings on the camera, Bonnie's shattered, you actually hold down on where it says max lens mod, and you can choose max lens mod 2 or obviously 1. So now I'm in max view, max lens mod, running at 4K 30 frames a second, 16.9. So yeah, massive. You can see literally it's 177 degrees. So literally when I'm running me 360 camera in one lens, this is what I get, but obviously in full 4K, which is cracking. Dead impressed. So yeah, little walk around, little test of the GoPro Hero 12, bit of footage off the Insta Go 3. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you've enjoyed the fact I'm putting videos up again, and I'll catch you soon on whatever I'll be doing. And as always, until that point, stay safe.